and thank you so much. And I don't know if we're done thanking you. You still got more? Is there more in the tank? Is that what's going on?
We got more.
You're out of songs? No!
I didn't say that. I said that was our list.
I think we got time.
All right.
I think we got time.
All right,
We're
hey,
in for an
everybody.
encore.
All right, this one goes out to all you. Thanks for watching.
Let's go.
How do you measure your success? Do you count your money as a way to find your bliss? Do you count your friends and family, health and happiness? How do you measure your success? Some folks work hard, yet still they're far from rich. Every dollar must be saved, every penny must be pinched. They come home at night to their children making kids. How do you measure your success? How do you measure your success? Is it your shiny car or the fancy way you dress? What good's the money if you got no one to share it with? How do you measure your success? Well, do you have some secrets to confess? Have you lived a life of sorrow and regrets? As you look back now, do you see you've done your best? How do you measure your success? How do you measure your success? Do you listen to the heart beneath your breast? You ever awake to realize we're all truly blessed? How do you measure your success? We'll take a shot now, even if you miss. Can't keep your head down just to hide your cowardice. You pursue your dreams even if you're penniless. How do you measure your success? How do you measure your success? Ain't you got nothing? Well, I'll show you folks with less. Do your friends and family have their health and happiness? Tell me, how do you measure your success? How do you measure your success?
Oh man, that is awesome. So awesome tonight. Thank you so much for your music. Look at this crowd behind right here. All stoked for the tunes tonight. And I hope that today this was like the icing on the cake after another shift of music today. Real late night for some of us. It's like 8:08. I gotta get going. You guys are done, right? 'Cause I haven't seen you. Well, good. Hey, thank you, Charlie. Anything you would like to say before we head out? And then I want to say goodbye to all our awesome people.
Yeah, I just wanted to say thank